This is Julie Bancroft and I invite you to call or text me anytime at 541-680-1484. I look forward to working with you. Beautifully updated home with unparalleled views of the stunning South Umpqua River. One-level living with an open floor plan and large windows. Recent upgrades include new windows, stainless Thermador gas range, refrigerator, can lights, tiled tub surround, and completely remodeled master bathroom with custom tile shower. Laminate flooring throughout. The fenced backyard overlooks 500 yards of the South Umpqua River and has river irrigation with plenty of room for a large garden.